If your 2014 Silverado is stuck in two-wheel drive or throwing a service four-wheel drive message, you are not alone. Statistically, the vast majority of these 4x4 issues stem from a handful of specific electrical components rather than mechanical failure. Before you head to the dealership, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find the culprit. Start by checking the frame grounds and the 4WD fuse, as simple corrosion is the leading cause of signal loss. The transfer case actuator is the most common hardware failure, often caused by water leaking into the plastic housing. A faulty dash selector switch can also send bad signals, making the truck think it is in a different gear. Distinguishing between the front axle actuator and the transfer case encoder motor is vital for a correct repair. While parts are relatively affordable for DIYers, shop labor can quickly push a professional repair toward $1,000. Sometimes a simple logic reset by disconnecting the battery can clear a soft error in the transfer case control module. Keep these tools handy to maintain your electrical connections and prevent the 4x4 system from failing again. Remember, the most expensive parts are often ruined by the simplest ground wire issues. Check those frame grounds first, and you'll likely have your Silverado back in the mud in no time.